Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System and it's Sunday the 20th of October 2019 and this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for Euro and Cable for the 4th week of October. Let's take a look at Euro, and for the week it has had a strong bullish close after finding support at a 110 level and breaking above to the weekly Kijun and managed to reach the 78.6 fib retracement level of this reversal move. Now it could be resuming and targeting the next resistance zone at the 62 fib retracement level at 122.30, 112.24, and with this previous Kumo Senko span B at 112.16, so just above the 112 level. And this previous resistance will now be support. And it still has some way to go to reach the weekly 55 as well as the bottom of the Kumo. Let's take a look on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame though, it has managed to break out higher above the Kumo, so it is turning bullish on the daily time frame. And you can see that it's also targeting the next resistance zone with the daily 200 EMA coming down just above 112 as well. Right, so in the short term, it is sentiment is bullish, and there is ECB monetary policy meeting on Thursday. Unlikely there will be any changes since the last meeting, and it will be the last meeting for President Draghi as well, finishing up his term. And other than that, there's also no news of note except for Brexit, which will impact both Euro and the cable. Let's take a look at the cable. Likewise, it has continued its bullish bias and reached the 162 fib extension of this bullish continuation move, finding support from just above the 125.00 level and the weekly Kijun. Climb up higher above this resistance zone at a 138 fib extension, so we'll see whether this holds as support. And let's see, we extend this trend line, whether there's a reaction just above inside the Kumo. However, this area is very thin, so it may not take a lot to break through. And the next fib extension is at 200 fib at 132.06 level, just above 132. And let's take a look at the daily time frame. Let's zoom out a bit, and yes, it is cleared the 127 level, and it's just under the 130. We can actually mark 130 level here. That's going to be the next key resistance. Let's remove some of these here. Okay, so back on the weekly time frame. So the bullish continuation move found support at the 62 fib retracement and climb all the way up to the 162 fib extension level for over 700 pips. So this is the next key resistance. There may be some retracement before the next move up. And now that the Brexit vote has been delayed in Parliament till Tuesday, so there could be some volatility, and we'll find out whether the UK Parliament has passed or rejected this new deal. Other than that, there's no other UK news for this week, so it's basically all Brexit related. Okay. Do watch out for my other videos on Euro, cable, and Aussie dollar as well, and the spot gold and dollar yen. And meanwhile, have a good trading week, and cheers.